Hi everyone, this is B. Aishwarya, second MSc in Nutrition and Dietetics from NKR Government Arts College for Women, Namakkal. This is for value ordered product development. I selected wheat flour to my value ordered product development. Nutritive value for wheat flour: energy 339 kilocalorie, carbohydrate 72.57 gram, sugar 0.41 gram, dietary fiber 12.2 gram, fat 1.87 gram, protein 13.70 gram. This means that wheat are among the most nutrient dense foods you can eat. Nutritive value for 100 gram wheat flour in the table on the chart. Nutritious: wheat flour are rich in carbohydrate and fiber, and also higher in protein and fat than most other grains. They are very high in many vitamins and minerals. Types of wheat flour: Indian wheat flours, wheat powder or flour, whole grain mixture of germ, endosperm and bran. Atta flour, mixture of endosperm and bran. Maida flour, endosperm bleached, a very white flour similar to the American bleached flour. Suji or rava, coarse ground endosperm. Roll of wheat flour, rich source of dietary fiber and manganese and magnesium. Controls obesity, improves body metabolism, prevents type 2 diabetes, reduces chronic inflammation, prevents gallstones, prevents breast cancer, promotes gastrointestinal health in women, prevents childhood asthma, protect against coronary disease, relieve postmenopausal symptoms, prevents heart attacks, prevent constipation, support weight management. Food preparation of homemade pasta. Ingredients: wheat flour 100 gram, cooking oil 5 ml, garlic 7 pieces, green chilli 1 number, onion 25 gram, carrot 25 gram, cabbage 25 gram, tomato 50 gram, turmeric powder 5 gram, chilli powder 5 gram, pepper powder 5 gram, coriander leaves 5 gram, salt to taste. Methods of cooking: boiling, sorting. Complete preparation: take a bowl and add 1 cup of whole wheat flour. Add 1 by 4 cup of water and mix well. Then add 1 by 4 cup of water to make a dough. 1 cup of flour needs half cup of water. Roll out the dough in the cutting board. Dust with flour generously to prevent from sticking. Roll it as thinly as possible. Make sure you dust flour on both sides. Roll the prepared dough. Slice the rolled dough by using sharp knife. Sprinkling some amount of flour on the top and mix well. Now pasta is ready for cooking. To cook the pasta, boiling some amount of water and add some amount of salt in the water. Now the water is boiled, add the prepared pasta in and wait for 2 minutes to cook. After 2 minutes, pasta is well cooked. Strain the water and take aside. Heat the pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is heated, add 7 pieces of chopped garlic. Garlic turns golden brown, add chopped onion, chilli and then carrot and cabbage. Add 1 by teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add chopped tomatoes and some amount of water, then add salt to need. Mash the tomatoes and add cooked pasta. Add coriander leaves and mix well. Now the pasta is ready to eat. Nutritive value for homemade pasta: carbohydrate 87.15 gram, energy 478.05 kilocalorie, protein 15.4 gram, fat 7.835 gram, fiber 4.355 milligram, calcium 57.69 milligram, iron 108.875 milligram, phosphorus 582.75 milligram. I can give the nutritive value in the chart. 1 serving calculation: Carbohydrate 29.05 gram, energy 159.35 kilocalorie, protein 5.13 gram, fat 2.61 gram, fiber 1.5 milligram, calcium 19.23 milligram, iron 36.29 milligram, phosphorus 194.25 milligram. I can give the nutritive value in the chart. Scorecard comparison. I can give the scorecard comparison in the table and the chart. Suggestion of the product. I have prepared the homemade pasta recipe in the boiling and sorting method. Homemade pasta is high calorie, high protein, high fiber, high carbohydrate. So I have suggested to the weight loss patient, diabetes, constipation, asthma, breast cancer and children. Food preparation for wheat kolkattai. Ingredients: wheat flour 100 gram, milk 100 ml, jaggery 100 gram, salt to taste. Methods of cooking: boiling method. Complete preparation. In a mixing bowl, take wheat flour and add salt. Add water little by little to make a stiff dough. Now make tiny balls shape. Make until the dough finishes, set aside. Now in a pan add water and salt. Let it boil. When it boils vigorously with bubbles, add the wheat balls. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes in the medium flame. Once it becomes soft, add wheat flour mixture, that is 1 teaspoon of flour and water. Until the mixture becomes creamy, simmer and cook. Add jaggery and mix well. Finally add milk. When the milk is added, suddenly switch off the flame and serve it hot. Nutritive value for wheat kolkattai. Carbohydrate 168.8 gram, energy 791 kilocalorie, protein 15.7 gram, fat 5.9 gram, fiber 1.9 milligram, calcium 1.9 milligram, iron 248 milligram, phosphorus 445 milligram. I can give the nutritive value in the chart. One serving calculation. Carbohydrate 56.26 gram, energy 263.67 kilocalorie, protein 5.23 gram, fat 2.61 gram, fiber 1.96 milligram, calcium 0.63 milligram, iron 82.67 milligram, phosphorus 148.33 milligram. I can give the nutritive value in the chart. Scorecard comparison. I can give the scorecard in the table and the comparison chart. Suggestion of the product. I have prepared the wheat kolkattai recipe in the boiling method. Wheat kolkattai is high calorie, high protein, high fiber, high carbohydrate. So I have suggesting to the weight loss patient and diabetes, obesity, constipation and children. Children, we all consuming in the recipe very healthy. Summary. Wheat is a rich sources in fiber, proteins, vitamins and minerals and carbohydrates and high calories. May a variety of health benefits. Prevents constipation, reduce blood sugar level, support weight loss. Homemade pasta is suggested in the weight loss patient and diabetes, obesity and children. We are consuming in the recipe very healthy. Wheat kolkattai is suggested in the weight loss patient, constipation, all types of diabetes, obesity and children. We are consuming in the recipe very healthy. Conclusion. Through the development of value added product under community nutrition, I have chosen wheat flour for value added product from it. I can understand the role of wheat flour and health benefits of wheat flour, and I have learned the nutritive value of product. The product I developed are homemade pasta and wheat kolkattai, which is beneficial for weight loss, constipation, prevent type 2 diabetes, prevent cardiovascular disease, control blood pressure. Thank you.